all this. And 6 as in, yeah, pretty much almost 5:45 in the morning. And I would have recorded it outside, but it's so hot that you don't want to, yeah, even morning, like without the fan. I mean, here, as soon as you have your bath, you start sweating. It's as bad as that. So, but people, if I sound half asleep and half dead, it's because when you binge watch series, Netflix series, and yesterday Betaal was released, and it is for those who are very fond of the horror genre. This is something that is uh, it's it's a very unique attempt, and since it deals with zombies and all, so it's a different kind of horror really. And the very opening scene of Betal, I mean, there's uh, every effort has been made to scare humanity, and rather skilled actors like Ahana Kumra, and a whole host of others. It's very well suited, for this horror genre. But really, people, it's that's what, for those who like the horror genre, Betal is something that they should watch. And then at the end of it, you'll end up looking like this, because when you binge watch something, it gets tiring. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.